everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma Azal. This is Devi Sarojini. Now I will discuss about the major responsibilities of Quality Assurance Department. They are validation and qualification. In this video, I will explain about validation and qualification clearly. If you have any query related to pharma, please feel free to mail me. My mail ID pharmaazal789@gmail.com. If you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's start this session without any delay. In this video, I will discuss about validation and qualification, the major responsibilities of quality assurance. In general, qualification and validation follow similar underlying principles. The term qualification is normally used, for example, for equipment and utilities, and validation, for example, for systems, methods, and processes. So, clearly, qualification used for equipment and utilities, whereas validation used for systems, methods, and processes. Validation and its role in quality assurance. Validation is an integral part of quality assurance. Validation is an integral part of quality assurance in the pharmaceutical industry. It's a proactive measure that identifies potential problems before they affect the final product. Quality, safety, and efficacy are built into the product. Quality cannot be adequately assured merely by in-process and finished product inspection or testing. Each step of a manufacturing process is controlled to ensure that the finished product meets all quality attributes including specification. That means finished products meets all quality attributes including specifications. Quality cannot be assured by in-process and finished product inspection or testing. Each step of manufacturing process that the finished product meets all the quality attributes including specifications. It is a preventive approach rather than a reactive one, saving companies from costly recalls and maintaining their reputation. Qualification and validation should be performed for new premises, equipment and utilities, for new systems, methods, processes and procedures. When changes are made depending on the outcome of risk assessment, where necessary are indicated based on the outcome of periodic review and may include requalification and revalidation. Validation can be defined as per WHO. It is a providing document, evidence that any procedure, process, activity or system actually leads to the expected results. Whereas, as per ICH, validation can be defined as it is the process by which it is established by laboratory studies which the performance characteristics of the method meet the requirements for predetermined standard. As per FDA, validation can be defined as establishing documented evidence which provides a high degree of assurance that a specific process will produce a product meeting its predetermined specifications and quality attributes. So, validation in the pharmaceutical industry, it is a critical procedure that ensures the safety, quality, and efficacy of drug. It is a process required by various regulatory agencies and involves a series of activities that must be methodically carried out to confirm that every aspect of production operates within specified parameters. Before I'm telling that each step of the every aspect of the production operates within the specified parameters. And also validation is a documented evidence. It is a generating exercise which demonstrates that a process, when operated within established parameters, can consistently yield a product of the required quality. This practice is not optional but a fundamental requirement enforced by regulatory authorities around the world to protect consumers. This different types of pharmaceutical validations. There are four types of validations out there in pharmaceutical industry. They are process validation, cleaning validation, analytical method validation, and equipment validation. So I will tell you about one by one. Process validation means manufacturing process produces outcome consistently meets predetermined specification. It's about ensuring that a process is stable and in control. The collection and evaluation of data throughout the product lifecycle, which provides documented scientific evidence that process is capable of consistently delivering quality products. Next one, cleaning validation. Cleaning procedures. It ensures that cleaning procedures effectively remove residue from the previous product batch, eliminating cross-contamination risks. That means one sample mixed with another sample. So the cleaning procedure effectively remove residue from the previous product batch, eliminating cross-contamination risks. To determine efficacy of cleaning process. To do troubleshooting in case any problem identified in the cleaning process and give suggestions to improve the process. This is all about cleaning validation. Cleaning validation ensures that cleaning procedures effectively remove residue from the previous product batch, eliminating cross-contamination risks. Next one, analytical method validation. This analytical method validation confirms that the methods used for testing a product are reliable and reproducible. Next one, equipment validation. This is where each piece of equipment is tested to verify it operates within the required parameters and contribute to product quality. So this is all about the four types of validation: process validation, cleaning validation, analytical method validation, and equipment validation. If you have any doubt related to validation or any other topics in the pharma, please comment me and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.